Check out this Jeep 2018 Renegade Altitude. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include transmission, 9-speed 940 ATE automatic included, vinyl shift knob, 3.734 final drive ratio, Colorado red, quick order package 27L altitude included, engine 2.4L i4 multi-air transmission, 9-speed 940 ATE automatic gloss black badging vinyl door trim panel gloss black instrument panel bezels gloss black rear fascia applique altitude package black accent stitching black daylight opening moldings exterior mirrors with supplemental signals, black deluxe cloth high back bucket seats, engine, 2.4L i4 multi-air included 3.734 final drive ratio engine oil cooler flex fuel vehicle zero evaporate emissions control system, turbocharged, front wheel drive and power steering. Low